On September 17th, here in Cherbourg, France, my grandfather, then Second Lieutenant Bogart, joined his company and remained until December of 1944. 2nd Battalion, which had Echo Fox, or Delta Echo and Fox Company, occupied Fort du Hornet, dubbed by one medical officer as Fort du Vomit, in Cherbourg's arsenal area. In their time, the work of the 398th helped to triple the targeted unloading capacity to 24,000 tons of cargo per day. They laid track, built a marshalling yard, repaired several bridges, and removed approximately 6,000 tons of scrap iron, demolished buildings, and obstacles. There's a long list of accomplishments for the regiment which directly impacted the amount of equipment coming into this port. At any time, there were between 21 and 25 massive projects in motion, alongside with other tasks such as clearing mines and improving the living conditions of the military who were in this area. At 0730 on 8 December 1944, the 398th EGSR packed up and headed to Verdun, France. So I asked around, and it turns out that my grandfather stayed at Fort du Hornet, Hommet, which is just over there, but it's now a French naval shipyard, so its access is not permitted.